Alright. What's up mga kaberk? Ayan, magandang araw, tanghali at gabi sa makisasulok na mundo mga kaberks. I hope magandang araw nyo today. Ayan, punta tayo ng Ikalinin mga kaberks. Kasama natin sila Mel. Atin tayo ng birthday ni Benice. So yun, magdadrive tayo ng 2.5 hours papunta ng Tampere para makatin tayo ng birthday nila Benice. Sila Mel nandiyan sa loob. So yun, nandun yung mga dalaga namin na una na. Kita-kita na lang kami doon sa venue. So see you later mga kaberks. We are here mga kaberks. Yan yung venue ng Tibon ni Benice. Yan. Malaki yung space. Madami pwedeng mag-parking. Ayun o. Maluwag yung parking lot nila. Tsaka dito kami nag-park. Meron pa dun. May parking pa dun sa dulo. So, nandito kami sa ano ba lugar ko? Nag-exit kami ng ano eh. Papuntang hindi ko lalagay ko na lang sa screen, hindi ko mabigkas eh. Your Harvey ba yan? Parang gano'n. Yan, nandito kami sa loob. Tapos ito yung nakila nila Chris na venue para sa Tibon ni Benice. Yan, sino nyo, napakadulas. Diyan kami nagpark kanina, diyan ako makaan eh. Kaya nilipat ko doon kasi madulas. Kaso kayo sa lang mga kabarks. Tayo yung venue, diba? Ang ganda na setup nila mga kaberks. Ayun. Ang ganda na setup nung ano ni Benice. Dito siya upo mamaya. Wow, dalaga na si Benice mga kaberks. Ganda. Yan. Tapos yung mga picture ni Benice nung kanyang nag-photoshoot siya. Yan. Nagpa-print din pala sila. Baba tayo mga kaperks. Dito na yata sila. May dumating ng bisita. So yun, baba muna tayo mga kaperks. Ito. Ito yung basement. Oh, boss. Say hi.
Maliligo ah.
May bilyara pala dito eh. Ayos pala dito eh. Alright. Yan. Ayos mo na ako. Tanggalin ko muna itong jacket ko. Laro muna tayo ng bilyar. So, para magaling na. Yan. Ayun mga ka-birds. Ready na. Uy! Pogi na kumpare ko. Nice ba? Boss. Mayor ng Davao. Ay, Cebu. You know?
Alam mo yung galing sa inuman, no?
Yung daddy na dead. Uy!
Alam mo talaga pag galing sa inuman.
Naglag, boss. Scratch. Ayun. Kata kami sa taas mga ka-birds. Tayo'y pupwesto na doon sa taas. Yeah.
Wala kang status.
Yung mga damit nyo, iwan na lang dito yung jacket. May sabitan ng jacket yung sa taas. O gusto mo, iwan mo na lang
We
dito.
are going to honor our one and only Aviona Venice on her 18th birthday. But before we start, let us welcome the participants of the 18 candles and 18 roses as they march forward to honor Aviona with their light and love before the debutante make her entrance. May we call on our 18 candles and 18 roses. The pillars of her life, the ones who nurtured and supported her every step of the way. Let us start with the man who has been Aviona's first hero, her guiding light, and the protector of their family. Please give a warm round of applause for Mr. Brian Miranda. Next, we have the heart of their home, the woman who has shown Aviona unconditional love, taught her the values that shaped her into the amazing young woman we celebrate tonight. Please welcome Mrs. Chris Miranda. And now let us welcome the young man who has been Aviona's constant companion and partner in crime growing up. Her beloved, of course, Gavin Miranda. And now, it's time, of course, to welcome the star of tonight's celebration, the debutante herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. Please all rise. Everyone, thank you. And direct your attention to the center aisle with grace and beauty that captures every heart in the room. Let us welcome the one and only Aviona Venice. Let's give her a warm of applause again. Yes. All right, you can sit. Oh no, before you sit down, I will. Julie Beleza to bless this evening, to lead us to prayer. I wanted to tell you that we're so proud of you in every minute of your life, and for the person that you have become right now, for all the achievement that you have achieved. We were really grateful for all your hard work. We wish, your dad and I wish, all the best in life for you, and please know that your dad and I and all the person who loves you the most will always be at your side and at your back to push you through to reach your goals and your dreams. And I hope that you keep yourself grounded and always respect other feelings as what you are, as always. Always put God in center of your life, and just continue to be as awesome as you are, and just keep reaching your goals. I also wanted to thank you because from the
those mixed people out here. So I only have three things to leave Venice now that is entering another milestones in her life. Well, for those of you who didn't know, Aviona and I did have almost the same faith when we grew up. I myself grew up with my stepfather. Okay, so growing up with a stepdad is not easy. I know Aviona knows that. And for this life, why do I have? Okay, so for this life, I'm just leaving three things for him to be as part of her life as she moves forward. So first up, your mom and I, and you know this, this is one of her weakness that I would like her to grow, time management. So that's the first thing I want you to learn. Manage well your time because
Happy birthday, Ate. Thank you for comforting me every time I cry. Can I hug you? Can I hug you?
Thank you, Sam. And we call on Shiana Kaylee Lorenzana.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. I just want to say that you're the epitome of a girl's girl. When my mom first...
Hello, Abby. Magtatagalog na ako dito. Baka malo-script pa ako. Happy birthday. Huwag ka magpasaway, oo. Huwag ka magpasaway. Ano ba ba? Huwag kang iyak ng iyak. Huwag kang iyak ng iyak. Tsaka mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Tsaka 18 ka na, pwede ka nang makulong. Iyak kayo ng iyak eh. Pwede ka nang makulong ngayon. Tapos pwede ka na rin magpunta sa ano ko. Happy birthday! Ako na yung nag-wish sa'yo.
dance with our Gabital.
Thank you all for coming, and then thank you to Mommy and Daddy for making all of this possible, along with Tita Julie, Tita Shine, Tita Queenie, Tita Jen. Thank you all for making all of this possible. I appreciate you guys so much. And thank you also to my friends who took the time to go here, along with every one of you. I'm not used to giving speeches of those
hours and time. Especially those two behind that kitchen. I don't know your name. Your name may not be known, but you will never be forgotten. So, thank you so much for my little girl. Let's toast for the wonderful and brighter future ahead of you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Bitin.
Yung mga inuupaw dyan. Okay.
Sarap!
Okay.
Kuha tayo ng foods mga ka-birds. So, yan na yun. No? Wait lang pa pati. Kain tayo mga ka-birds. Yung ating fried rice, sisig, chicken, salmon, shanghai, tsaka pork. Yan. Sarap yung foods mga ka-birds. Sarap yung foods. Lalo na yung sisig. Ay, Mami Jazz. Wala nakapo. Gusto ko lang dyan, Chay.
Dapat malapa nila.
Kain ka na.
Akala ko tita ito eh. Hindi ko nang dalhin to eh.